equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV12 may exhibit motor issues, often indicated by reduced suction or unusual noises. This can occur due to wear and tear or blockages, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage or complete failure of the device. To carry out the repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the casing of the Dyson SV12. Once the casing is off, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the base of the unit. You may notice that it is connected by several wires and screws. Gently disconnect the cables, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Remove the screws holding the motor in place and lift it out. Replace it with the new motor, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are secure. When reassembling, take your time to align the casing properly and replace all screws firmly but not excessively tight to avoid stripping. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future motor issues, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Keeping your Dyson SV12 well maintained will extend its lifespan and performance. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.